Everybody's looking for cheap car insurance companies. We want to know how to get lower car insurance and how to get cheap car insurance that's good, and we also want to save every penny that we have. I'm Robert Reardon. I'm a CPA, and this is my voice. And I've done some research I think you're going to be interested in and come up with some great ideas. So let's get into it. I'll give you a list to check out, and we'll start off with some car companies I looked at. The first of the list is USAA. Is the first one. On the internet they said Geico was the second. The third cheapest is State Farm, they said. Another item on this was the car and truck. What type of models? Has models that have lowest rates. Here's a joke to break up the monotony. I hit the gym today. I drove away because I did not have car insurance. The cheapest is the coverage with the lowest limits required. Limits required by your states. I would try to call 3 insurance companies and talk to them over the phone and tell them what you're trying to insure. There's some great ways to your car insurance premiums that you can get over the internet. You can reduce coverage on older cars that don't need it. One insurance trick is raising the deductible and always finding car insurance for young drivers and also new drivers. Here's a brainstorm. You need to get 3 quotes before buying. I'm talking about reputable companies with good financial records. Of course, a good driving record would help too. Having a car with good history and avoid paying monthly bills. As far as teens go, get as many discounts as possible for a better rate. I know it's a lot to learn, but things that can help you. You know, if you have a teen, it's going to be difficult for insurance costs. A good question is which states have the cheapest car insurance. A list from the internet said Idaho, Iowa, Indiana, and Maine, Wisconsin and New Hampshire, and Ohio were the cheapest. Now, New York, Michigan, and Florida are not the cheapest, but you can find cheap car insurance in these states. Just take the suggestions I give you and look and compare the 3 of them again and see which one's the best one for you. Here's another joke to break the monotony. How do you get rich in Asian countries? Open a car insurance company up. Another question is the cheap car insurance for new drivers. On the internet, the cheapest car insurance you might want to look at, it says on the internet where I looked, to look at Nationwide. It said that you might be able to, if it's telling the truth, cut your premium in half new drivers. You might look at Geico plus State Farm. They offer great discounts. Got to keep in mind the highest premiums for drivers as far as age goes is 25 years, either males or females. Another question is where to get cheap car insurance for students if you have kids can be hard. I do not have to explain this one to you. You got to have a plan and check it on the internet. Again, take advantages of discounts. A good student discount would be around 7% of your total bill. You could get a car alarm and also state that you park in your own driveway, not outside on the street. Some states help with their own programs to reduce your car insurance. The lowest car insurance would include high deductibles with reduced liability coverage. Explain your student information to the insurance company to best of your ability and to several insurance companies, getting insurance quotes from several companies. It's easy these days by going to a brokerage website. Make sure that you have the necessary information on hand. You also got to have the information on cars and trucks. driver's license and past insurance notices, and have insurance discounts with you. You could have claims against. You could have past liability actions. Another question is the insurance for cars for kids from 19 or 18. Cars which is the least expensive are Kia Rio 5 and a Smart Forte 2. The best car for low rates is the Honda Odyssey, the Jeep Wrangler, and Honda CR-V. Again, Geico is ranked one of the lowest, or said on the internet, one of the cheapest insurance rate companies. Getting online car insurance reduces the cost because you're doing the research yourself. To get car insurance, you need identify your needs to your policy and adjusting factors. The insurance companies will ask a lot of questions about risk. These risks are rated. You can barter with the insurance companies, even going directly into the insurance companies. The website can save you time and money. Checking with several companies to get the best price. You can save by going to different insurance websites. What concerns you the most? The risks, the insurance companies that you're going to be dealing with, which ones are the cheapest? Are you taking the necessary discounts, or your driving record? Please comment below. And if you like this video, please comment below. Always get different quotes, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe, because I've got some other great videos coming up in the next few days.